Till the last video in the digital marketing case study, we have seen the data set. Then we have seen the different columns in the data set and take a quick note on this. Then we have seen the key terms that are used for the digital marketing campaigns such as leads, prospects, payments, click-through rate, conversion rate, etc. Then we have built the formulas for the KPIs such as click-through rate, return on ad spend, conversion rate, cost per click, average order value, return on investment, and cost per conversion, etc. Now we will move in the Looker Google Data Studio and we will import the data set and create all those KPIs. So firstly we will open the Looker Studio. So here we have opened the Looker Studio. We will create a blank report out of it. So this is the blank report that we want to create. And now it is asking to connect the data. So here we have a large number of Google connectors that are 23 and we can create our own connectors. But here we are taking the data set in CSV format. So we will use the Google Sheets. So here in the Google Sheet in the digital marketing data set, we already have it. So we click on it. Here we have only one sheet there. So sheet one is there. In the digital marketing data set, we have headers. So we have clicked yes, use first row as headers. We have also clicked include hidden and filtered cell. We want all the data set so that we can do the analysis of it. So we are not clicking on this including specific range. If you want to use specific range data set, you can click on this and add the range to it, but we are not using it. So now we will do the add on it. So now in this report, our data is being added. Now it's asking that you are about to add data to this report. We will do yes, add data to the report. Now you can see that all the columns are coming here and you can see that a sample visualization is made on the data. So here you can see that. Now what we will do, we will add all those KPI formulas here. So we have the add a field option and add a parameter. We are not adding any kind of parameter. We are using KPI field. So we will do the fields here. Now we will write the field name here. So the first field that we will work upon is the click-through rate. So CTR, which is our click-through rate. So our click-through rate is clicks divided by impression into 100. So clicks divided by impressions into 100. So here we will let it load. You can see that the formula syntax is correct. We will do the save here and do done. Now here you can see that click-through rate has already come. Similarly, like this, we will create the different kinds of KPIs. So next is return on ad spend, that is ROAS. Return on ad spend. So return on ad spend is our payment divided by cost. Payment divided by our costs. Formula is syntax is correct. We will do save and done here. Now you can see that return on ad spend is also there. So we will create more fields. Next is our conversion rate. Our conversion rate formula is prospects divided by clicks into 100 as it is in percentage format. So its syntax is correct. We will do save and done here. Now we will add another field, that is cost per click. So here we will write it CPC, cost per click. So this is cost divided by clicks. Syntax is correct. We will do save and done here. We will do the cost. Next field we will add as cost per prospect. Cost per prospect. So this is again cost divided by prospects. Save and done. Now we will do average order value. So new field, that is AOV, average order value. Our average order value is payments divided by leads. It's correct. Save and done. Now we will write the return on investments. So our ROI, that is return on investments. Our return on investment is payments minus the cost we have incurred divided by the cost. So we will do a save and done here. Next field, that is our cost per conversion, CPC. Our cost per conversion is cost cost no, not cost per prospects. That is our cost divided by leads plus prospects. We will do save and done here. So now you can see that we have created 8 different KPIs right here. So in the next video we will use the KPIs and the columns of the data here to create more visualization and reports. So till then, keep learning.